Planning to make a purchase? OneMoreView.com is here to help you make the best choice. Our expert reviews will help you select the right product. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best nail drill machine available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints, as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic, features and prices of each beach chair. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best nail drill machine, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. OneMoreView present top 5 best nail drill machine. Let's get started with the list of the best nail drill machine. Number 1. MelodySusie Portable Electric Nail Drill. Features: multifunctional, designed with 6 kinds of metal bits. Adjustable speed, 0-20,000 RPM. Low noise and low heat. Input voltage range, 110 V 240 V 50 60 Hz, US plug. Output voltage, DC 12 V 1A. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Ejiubas Nail Drill, nail drills for acrylic nails. Features: meet normal multi-uses and easy DIY manicure at home. Upgraded headpiece and powerful speed. Space-saving and elegant and humanized. Simple clear speed control. Humanized foot pedal. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 3. Beurer MP62 Pedicure Nail Drill Kit. Features: 10 stainless steel attachments. Integrated LED light for a precise finish. Cord length reaches up to 10 feet. Dual rotation. Premium carrying case. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. Subway Professional Finger Toenail Care Electric Nail Drill Machine. Features: professional finger toenail care electric nail. Comfort speed adjustment. Features: powerful motor. Features: efficient heat dissipation. Multifunctional using of nail drill. Precise speed 0-20,000 RPM. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. OVX Portable Electric Nail Drill Machine. Features: speed 0-20,000 RPM, adjustable. 6 interchangeable bits. High quality material. Easy to operate and perfect for travel. Multifunction nail drill. Check product link and price on video description below.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.